Does your iPhone experience a glitch, and you don't know why? It can be a problem with your device's hardware or software that causes flicker, freeze, and ghost touch effects. This kind of problem can be frustrating since it affects your eyes and can cause dizziness. You might be thinking about how to fix it, so we provide leading solutions to get rid of iPhone glitches. Before we proceed with serious troubleshooting of your iPhone, let us check and fix the common reason why your iPhone experiences glitches. iPhone screen glitching may occur when your screen suddenly flashes on and off, blacks out, or the display brightness alters intermittently. So try to turn off auto brightness, check memory status, enable reduced transparency, update your iOS, force restart your iPhone, and uninstall app that causes the screen to glitch. If none of the methods above works for you, we recommend Aiseesoft iOS System Recovery. It is a professional tool that resolves various iOS system issues, including screen glitching. This iOS system recovery is easy to use, even for beginners, and safe enough to cause no data loss. More importantly, it has a high success rate. To get this tool, visit our page, aiseesoft.com, or simply click the link in the description. Download this tool, and we will show you how to get rid of the glitch on your iPhone screen. To begin, open the tool you've downloaded. You will see 4 tools for iOS issues on the Tools interface. Click the iOS System Recovery among them. And there, the lists of iPhone issues this tool can fix will appear. With that, click the Start button, and then connect your iPhone that is disabled on your computer. Once done, the tool will scan your device and choose between the 2 modes. After you choose, hit the Confirm button. Follow the instructions in the interface to proceed. Afterward, you will see different versions and firmware for your iOS device. Choose one suitable for your device, and click Next to download it. Please wait for it to be downloaded. After that, the tool will repair your system. Please note, do not disconnect your iPhone while repairing, or it will be bricked or damaged. Having an iPhone with a glitching screen is annoying and makes your user experience terrible. However, some solutions can fix this problem, and we recommend Aiseesoft iOS System Recovery. It has a high success rate that can surely fix your glitching screen. So what are you waiting for? Get it now. We hope this helps you. For more videos, visit our channel, Aiseesoft. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the following videos. Thanks for watching.